I suppose the danger here with question 1 is that, yes, you can type this into a calculator, but the calculator will calculate something different and really screw up the sum that you actually want to do. The way to ensure you don't do that is to encompass the numerator in effectively a bracket and the denominator in the same straitjacket of a bracket, and type those into the calculator and even push equals after this sum is done. This ensures that the calculator is calculating what you want it to calculate and doesn't allow it to interpret a different sum. So here's that part A. I'm just going to do the top bit first by typing in brackets as well and getting an equal sign. So that's the display for my top line. So I'm now going to push divide by, but then a bracket, 6 plus 2.1 squared. So it knows it wants to divide my 18.37 number, divide by the whole of the denominator. Now push equals. So for the complete sum, my display says this. And that should be the answer to part A. Okay, now part B, and we're asked for the reciprocal of 0.625. And if you put that into a calculator, you get the answer of 8 over 5 or 1.6 if you need it in a decimal form. And that's the answer to part B.